happened. So this was our setup for yesterday. Yesterday we hit 2 TP targets on the free signal channel. If you would like to join, I'm going to leave the link in the description. It's 100% free of charge. You get crazy signals with TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4 until TP9, sometimes TP12. It's crazy, I know. And then this was the second signal that or second setup that we took, which was basically after price did an equal distribution to the upside as equal. This was the second and then the third. Now we are expecting a good move to the upside today. Where would be the optimum zone of entry? Now remember that we have a situation here, okay? This looks like a downtrend that has been broken because structure was taken, right? So this was the move. Let's just draw in make an illustration here. So it's up, down, up, down. So when you find yourself in a setup that looks like this, what you expect, the first thing you should do is draw the line to mark liquidity. And then this is the setup, remember? And then what you wait for is price to take liquidity, which it did by the spike. And then price went down, all right, came back, didn't take the top, and now it's coming back. Now from there, where is it going to? We have two options in this case scenario, which is here. Where is it going to? We have two options. So it's either going to retest at the 50% of this movement to then shoot to the skies, because it has to take this low, this high, sorry. So it has to break the structures here. It has to take this and this as well. So price is just trying to create momentum, right? Or if it fails and the bears here win, it's going to take this low. So the what I'm showing you here is basically what is on the chart here, okay? By the way, for those that don't know me, my name is XAUKING. Yeah, so this is it, all right? Here and here as well, okay? Okay, guys? This is this one. This one is this one. And then this one is this one. So this is what we're having. What's going to happen? So in my opinion, let me just erase all of this. What I know is going to happen, basically. I know what's going to happen. Well, let's do it. We'll mark this area. Okay. Let's go on a new chart because this is my old chart. Where is it? Where is it? I need to have another XAUSD. Just for this analysis sake, I'll add another one here. Okay, so let's see. XAUSD. And let's wait and see what happens, bro. Sorry for the latency. My internet connection is a bit weak today. Oh, and guys, I'll soon start, motivating you guys a little bit more. I'll soon start recording normal videos, showing my face a little bit more. I want you guys to be 100% involved in all of these activities, guys. This is really important, and trading can change lives. Trust me. It takes a long time, but trading can change lives. So this was one of our setups. Wow, it looks beautiful. Let me delete it. Okay, so this is today's setup. Now, let's put it like this, man. Oh, this is amazing. So this is going to be our external liquidity. Okay. This is going to be our external liquidity as well. All right. Let's just mark it until here because I want to make this beautiful for you guys. So once Once we have this, let me just put on my headphones because of external noise. I'm sorry about that. I don't know if the audio is gonna cut. Liquidity, current most important point. So I don't know. Maybe this is going to be the daily low or something like that. I'll have to check later. But for now, let's just focus on this. We're on a 1 hour, most important time frame ever, and price just got so much strength to go all the way up and then not take this out and then retrace here. Why? What happened there? So how do we fix this? This is a mathematical problem. This is a technical problem. We need to solve this technical problem. In order to solve that, we need to do this, okay? For those of you who are taking my course, you need to use your Fibonacci retracement tool from the lowest point, okay, to the highest point ever, all right? And then that's it. Now, in these points, where lies is where your entry position should be set. So there are times when price is going to leave you. There are times when price will react at 62 and just fly, but there are times when price will react at the 50% to the 79. So in order to solve this problem, what do you do? In my case, I would do it like this, okay? I'll mark the entire area as a possible zone of entry, but let's do it first. So we have analyzed these areas as our potential entry zones. What am I going to do? I'm going to draw a rectangle in between here as my potential entry zone. And then I'm going to remove the Fibonacci tool and mark the other two lows. Okay, so this is a low created, and this is also a high. But let me just do it like this. So from the low again, this one, because we used the first one, we go to the second one. And then we drag it all the way to the top. And this is it. So you realize that this 62% is also in line with the previous 62%. This 79% is also in line with the previous 79%. So basically, this area here is the most important area. And what are you left with? You are left with another rectangle here. So according to what I'm doing right now, this is the entry zone. So I can erase here, although price can get down there, but I don't care. So I can remove this, and this will be our entry point for buys. We will remove the Fibonacci tool, and what are we gonna do? We can start making it look beautiful. Step one, stop loss, okay? Always stop loss, always here, which we call, this is going to be RIL because it's internal now, it's not external. So I'll call it RIL. It's a sell side liquidity even though it's internal. And then we have to put this to give price the reference 2555. That's what I saw there. So I think this is it. Yeah. Okay, so it's 2551. Okay, this is it. This is it, guys. This is one. The bottom one is external. So the bottom one is ERL SSL at 25. I think this is 45, right? 46. Yeah. 46. I'm not gonna waste my time writing the whole thing. So yeah, this is going to be it. Yeah, in this case, I'm just gonna edit this side on the side so that I don't have too many things at the same zone. And then I'm going to stretch this line next to it. This is just to keep it neat, okay? And since you share this with other people, you have to keep it neat. And then this one as well, keep it neat. No, since it's internal, it can stay like that with the dotted lines. And then I draw another line here, and right next to the line, that's where I'll say stop loss, SL. All right. So for those guys who are going to use small lot sizes, this is your stop loss. For the guys who are going to use big lot sizes, this would be your stop loss, okay? If you're going to use small lot sizes, I recommend using this stop loss here, right here, right, right there, SL. That looks good. Right there. Now, what's next? Okay, next is we need to mention that this is a bullish POI, okay, point of interest for buyers. In reality, the important candle is this one. It's this one, okay? I know I sound like Chinese. I love the Chinese, by the way. Okay, so this is it. So price will react anywhere around here. If there's going to be too much bearish pressure, there are times that it's going to break through the POI, but as long as you take into consideration your possible stop losses, depending on your risk management, like I always say, if you are going to take a good trade, a good setup, the price will most likely want to take out stop losses before it moves. So always use the last stop loss, okay? In my case, I might even use this last one here, 2546, because I want to be in this trade. Since I know that this is the trade that will take price to $2,800. It's a very important trade setup. So the institutions will not want to take everyone with it. So using small stop losses might get you kicked out of the trade before anything else. So what I would do is then I would mark my possible take profit targets, all right? This is one, okay? This is an RRL, and it's a TP target, okay? So it's going to be RIL, okay? This is an RIL. I'll say the same thing, BSL. Guys, you're not gonna agree with me on some things, that's fine. This is my strategy. This is how I trade, okay? 95. And this is how I get my accurate setups. So I place it here, and then yeah, I know I'm speaking like a little kid because I know that some of you need this to be well explained in detail in order for you guys to comprehend what I'm doing, what I'm saying, or anything else, and that's a good thing. TP, and I'm patient, guys. I'm very patient. If you ask me any questions on after the video, I'm going to respond to it. If you'd like to take my course, I'm going to teach you everything I know about this. This is the all-time high, so here we will say BSL, right? ATH, all-time high, all right? This is how I conduct my technical analysis. Although I didn't get into detail on everything, like my secrets and everything, this is because I don't think that part of my knowledge and of the skill should be free. You know, if you want it, you're gonna pay for it, my nigga. You get paid for it. Okay. Uh, you finna pay for it. You finna pay for it. So yeah, let me use this one. This is dollar line. Yeah, this is about it. So this is TP. This is also TP. For now, I think this is great. So what I was explaining the other time was this. This is liquidity that was taken by this move, and then price also saw fit to take liquidity from the bottom side, and which it did. And if you calculate the distance from here to here, it's almost as equal from here to here. Perfectly distributed, I would say. It's a work of an art. Only gold can do this, by the way. And then we add our risk to reward ratio. So I have put some templates for my long and short position risk to reward tool. Like immediately when I click on it, it gives me one. So let me see. Yeah, I'm expecting it here. So I would say like this. Yes. So this is 1 to 1. And then I have settings for 1 to 2 and so on. Okay. 1 to 1 RR. So if price reacts here and you set your take profit here, you'd get out of take profit hit. Your stop loss should be here and stuff like that. So optimum stop loss for those who want to risk easy is here. Take profit targets above here like this. This is how you do it. And then this is what you do. For those guys that are going to want to argue with me, please take my course first and then come argue with me, because you're going to have to put this into practice. And then there are these guys who will use smaller lot sizes. If you are going to use smaller lot sizes, you can set your stop loss until here. Reason being is that if price does not react on this POI, it's going to react on this POI, but I'm not going to mark it because it's an extreme. I call it extreme POI. This is an extreme POI, and I'm not going to take it into consideration today. But as I told you, okay, so I just call it extreme for now. It's around here, somewhere here, so I'm not going to mark it. Let me just do this. I mean, if you haven't recorded it, it didn't happen. So yeah. I even forgot what I was saying. So guys, this is my view on gold. Okay, I have another technical analysis that I just showed you on the other page. Let me show you. Where is it? Let me mark it like this. Take a screenshot real quick. This is how I take my screenshots, because this is what matters most. Okay, fine. But the optimum take profit target for this move is going to be here, 800. Okay, 800 is take profit target for gold in the upcoming days and weeks. In my opinion, I don't know what you guys have to say. I don't know what's going to happen in America. I don't know what's going to happen in the rest of the world, but this is what I'm seeing for XAUSD. So guys, take care, stay tuned, like and subscribe to the video. I hope I've taught one of you one or two things. There are certain things I wanted to introduce to you, like my course. I have a course going on. I call it the Master FX Trading Course. If you are interested in that part of Forex trading, you would like to learn more, you're an advanced trader, but you need some tips here and there on how to take good profit results from the market, you can contact me. I'm going to leave my contact details. If you'd like to join my free Discord channel or my paid Discord channel, server, I mean, my free Telegram channel, and any other information related to Forex trading, I'm also going to leave my contact details there. Guys, this is going to change your life. This is the best strategy out there right now. It took me about 8 years to build it in combination with other strategies as well. Basically, it can help you a lot. So enjoy this. The other setup is this one, which is the long-term setup. I'm going to break down this setup in the next video. So this is my long-term setup. These are my take profit targets long-term. Okay, and we are going to the moon, guys. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for everything. Bye.